In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove plugins in Figma. Whether you've got some plugins cluttering your workspace or just need to tidy things up, I've got you covered. We're going to walk through this straightforward process step by step, ensuring that you'll be able to remove unnecessary plugins in no time. So let's dive in and make your Figma environment just the way you like it, clean and efficient. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Figma's website. You can simply type in figma.com in the address bar. Figma is a powerful collaborative interface design tool, and being familiar with its layout is always handy for tasks like this. Once you're on the Figma homepage, look for the Login button. It's typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your login credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready, as you'll need them to access your Figma projects and settings. After successfully logging in, you should find yourself in the Figma homepage. This area serves as your dashboard where all your recent projects and design files are easily accessible. From here, navigate towards your design area. This is where you'll find the particular files and settings associated with your projects. In your design interface, look for the menu or sidebar that contains various options related to your designs. When you locate it, search for a tab labeled Plugins. Clicking on Plugins will display a list of all the plugins currently installed on your Figma account. These plugins enhance Figma's functionality, but not all of them might be useful for your current projects. With the list of plugins open before you, find the particular plugin you wish to remove. If you're unsure, you might want to take a moment to review what each plugin does, so you're not removing something essential by mistake. Once you've identified the plugin that you don't need anymore, simply click on it to view more details. Now comes the moment to declutter. Click on Remove. This button is typically found within the plugin details section, and hitting it will prompt you for confirmation to delete the plugin. Confirm that you indeed want to proceed, and just like that, the plugin will be removed from your Figma environment. This action declutters your workspace and can improve efficiency if you had plugins that were slowing down your processes. So there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully removed a plugin from Figma, helping you maintain a clean and personalized design workspace. Remember, keeping your tools organized not only saves time, but enhances your focus and creativity. Thanks for following along, and be sure to explore further ways to optimize your Figma experience.